Hello students. Now see our next article, that is article number 10.4.1, weight of an object on the moon. This is very interesting topic. Just see. Let us see now. We are going to evaluate the weight of an object on the moon. For this, let us take two bodies. The mass of that object I have taken here small m, and let us say this is moon, whose mass I have taken as capital M, and the weight of the moon I have taken as Wm, where this W stands for weight and this small m stands for moon. Similarly here also mm, capital M stands for mass, here it means moon. Now, by applying universal law of gravitation, we discussed that force is equal to G mm upon r square. So that force I can substitute as weight, because we know that the force of attraction on any object is abbreviated as weight as well. Similarly, that m I have written here mm, which means mass of moon, into mass of another object, that is m, and let radius of moon I have written as rm whole square. Similar, this is for case of moon. Similar, for case of earth, I can write the formula like this. Here it is for moon, and for earth it will be like this: m into m upon r square. For earth I have taken as only capital M, and the mass of the other object is m, and the radius of that earth is r. So these are two values I have, that is first equation and this one is second equation. Now let us substitute the values. You will find there is a table in your book, table 10.1, where you can note it down that earth and moon, mass of earth is 5.98 into 10 raised to power 24, and of moon is 7.36 into 10 raised to power 22. And if I talk about radius is, from earth it is 6.37 into 10 raised to power 6, and for moon it is 1.74 into 10 raised to power 6. Now let us substitute these values in these two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. When I will substitute this value in equation number 1, that Wm, when you will substitute that value, I will not substitute the value of G over here. I'm just substituting the value of mass. This is G into 7.36 into 10 raised to power 22 multiply by m upon radius of moon, which is equivalent to 1.74 into 10 raised to power 6 whole square. When you will solve it, the weight of moon will come out to be 2.431 into 10 raised to power 10 capital G into m. Similar, when you will solve it for weight of earth, when you will substitute the values of earth in this equation, equation number 2, the value will come out to be 1.474 into 10 raised to power 11 into G into m. So I have taken these equation as third and fourth. Now let us divide this third equation by fourth. By dividing the equations, Wm, which is weight of moon, upon We, which is weight of earth, when you will divide it, it will be like this. This G and this M will get cancelled. So the value will come out to be, and when you will divide it, when you will divide this value, it will be come out to be like this. which is nothing, just approximately equivalent to 1/6. So what is the result? This is the result came out to be that weight of the object on the moon upon weight of the object on the earth is just equivalent to 1/6. So you can say that weight of the object on the moon is equivalent to 1/6 of weight of the object on the earth. This is the interesting result which came out to be in this equation, in this, that the weight of the object on the moon becomes 1/6 of the weight which is on the earth. See one example, example 10.4. The mass of the object is 10 kg and you have to find out the weight on the earth. You know that the weight on the moon is 1/6 weight on earth. If on earth you are weighing as 10 kg, so what will be your weight on moon? It will be just 1/6 of 10. This is 10/6, which is equivalent to 1.67, and the SI unit of weight is Newton. So this is the result which came out, that weight of the object on the moon becomes 1/6 of the weight of the object on the earth. In this expression, you have to remember these values, that what is the mass of earth and moon and what are the radii of earth and moon. I hope this topic is clear to you. Always remember the result, that weight of the object on the moon becomes 1/6 of the weight of the object on the earth. I hope this topic is clear to you.